I was looking for an environment that was opening and welcoming, and that's what I've got here. You go in any La-Z-Boy store and you're going to find a qualified person. Don't worry about that. This is a new purchase for me. I bought this in the spring, and it came with furniture in this room and a bed. And I took the furniture because I needed some, but I knew it needed to be, it was functional, but I wanted it replaced.
Jay came in with an open mind as far as how he wanted things to feel in his room.
He kind of explained what he was looking for. He gave me an aesthetic that he was after.
He was searching more for a feeling than an actual look. So that was a new thing for me. So listening was a really big part of how we got to the end result that we have today.
It was challenging because we didn't really have too much to go off of, and I kind of had to figure out who he was before we could figure out what angle he was going for. But I think the balance was the challenge in trying to find something livable but fun.
When I had the home design service team come in here, they took measurements, they were very thorough. They included me in the dialogue. It wasn't just they came in and started doing things, they talked to me as they went through the process. Both of them worked together very well. I tried to stay out of the way, but I was very pleased with the effort that they put into this. This is an unusual area, and the space was something I couldn't deal with, and I needed some help.
So we had a couple of pieces. We came into a very furnished apartment when we first got here to measure. We talked about the potential of keeping a couple of pieces because I did really like them. So just in general, we did have an entertainment that we had to keep. We had this really beautiful granite bar, and we kept some stools from there. And we wanted to incorporate kind of those natural metals into what we were already doing. So I think it was really important to really notice the key pieces that he was pointing out and then kind of work around that, but also bring in our own kind of modern twist to everything since, you know, the location for the design was at the stadium here in South Carolina. I went with the Astor because it was very comfortable and I really wanted to bring in that comfort, but I also wanted to do a modern twist to everything, and I feel like the ED Duo does that for many clients.
Colors we went with were, we call this grayish, kind of a gray beige that you can take a lot of different directions. Blues are pretty much neutral these days and something you can kind of add to, but still happy and fun and upbeat and fresh. I think a lot of things make it special. So we tried to make it more welcoming, not just by the furniture, but by the angles where we put the furniture, and we want you to walk in and kind of flop down on the couch, for lack of better words, and feel like you can just be at ease and be calm and be happy. But we also wanted to encompass a lot of people. If you wanted to have 10 people over, you could easily or not. So it's just a multi-purpose room.
I thought it was very professional, the presentation that they gave me. They took me in a conference room, and they split up the presentation. One took one room and one took the other. And they had a slideshow, and they had samples of materials that were going to be used either for fabric or floor coverings or textures, so that you could actually put your hand on something and it's not just the color that they're showing you. They had this texture, so I could rub my hand on it and say, this is what it's going to be like. It was very personal. They allowed me to speak, and it was a conversation. It wasn't really a presentation. My feelings about this are I appreciate it so much. It's just hit me. I mean, this is the first time I've seen it all together, and it's very impressive. And I can't wait to walk out the door and come back in and see what it looks like again.
So for clients who are on the fence about doing in-home design program, I say, why not do it? I think it's a fun experience. I think getting more than one opinion on things is a really great way to know and make sure that you're, doing the best choices for you, because this is furniture for life. And I hope to have, those customers for life as well.